When thinking about securing your data within Microsoft Purview, it's helpful to consider the concept of defense in depth. This approach is like building multiple layers of security around your data, each designed to protect against different types of threats. Let's break down these layers in a way that's easy to understand. Diagram on the screen shows various layers of protection that we can think of when securing data with Purview. Network security is all about keeping the perimeter safe. Imagine your data as valuable items stored in a safe inside a building. The first layer of defense would be to secure the building itself. In Microsoft Purview, this building is your network. Since Purview is a cloud-based platform as a service solution, you can use several tools to protect it at the network layer, such as Private Link Service, Purview Firewall, and Network Security Group. Private Link Service, think of this as restricting entry points to only those with special access keys. By enabling end-to-end network isolation, you ensure that only trusted entities within your private network can access Microsoft Purview. Purview Firewall acts like a guard at the door, which allows you to disable public access completely. Only those within the network can attempt to access your data. Network Security Group rules are like setting up checkpoints inside the building. You can control which parts of the network can communicate with each other, which ensure only approved connections are allowed. Access management here is who gets the keys. Once you secure the perimeter, the next step is managing who has access to what inside the building. In the context of Microsoft Purview, this is all about identity and access management. Just like in any organization, everyone has a specific role. In Purview, you need to clearly define who is responsible for managing the service and who handles the data within it. This makes sure that only the right people have access to sensitive operations. Instead of giving access to individual users, it's more efficient and secure to assign roles to groups. This way you can manage permissions more easily and ensure consistency. MFA is like requiring two keys to open a lock. For users with privileged roles, it's essential to enforce MFA to add an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if someone's password is compromised, they still need a second form of verification to gain access. Threat protection and data exploitation prevention is like guarding against threats. Even with strong network security and access management, you need to be vigilant about potential threats. Microsoft Purview integrates with Microsoft Defender for Cloud to give you insight into the sensitivity of your data and help protect it from threats. Just like you would want to know which items in your safe are the most valuable, Purview helps you identify sensitive data so you can prioritize its protection. This integration allows security teams to monitor and protect sensitive data, which reduce the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. Information protection is like securing metadata handling. When you register and scan data sources in Microsoft Purview, it doesn't actually move your data. It only extracts metadata to help manage and govern your data. This metadata is securely stored in Purview, ensuring that your actual data stays in its original location. When you set up Purview, a special managed resource group is created which includes a secure storage account for the metadata. Only Purview itself can access this storage, thanks to role-based access control that automatically prevents unauthorized access. Finally, encryption acts as the final layer of security, ensuring that even if someone were to gain access to your data, they wouldn't be able to read it without the proper encryption keys. Your data, when stored or at rest, is encrypted using Microsoft managed keys. This is like locking your safe with a combination lock. When data is being moved from one place to another, it's encrypted using transport layer security to protect it from being intercepted or tampered with. So defense in depth in Microsoft Purview is all about creating multiple layers of protection around your data, from securing the network it resides in, to managing who can access it, to protecting against threat and ensure that even the metadata is handled securely. By applying these principles, you are building a robust defense that keeps your data safe from all angles.